Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming which app or system feature is using GPS and why. This helps avoid killing services you need. Next, open Android settings and tap location to view overall status and permission categories. If you plan to use ADB or toggle finer options, make sure developer options are enabled. Once done, you'll be positioned to restrict or stop location services. This first step avoids guesswork and directs you to the specific controls you'll change. Now focus on app-level controls. Open the target app's permission screen and set location to deny or allow only while using, because that immediately stops background GPS access. If an app still requests location, use force stop and then clear cache to remove lingering processes. This is a stronger interruption. For system-wide cessation, toggle location off or switch to battery saving mode, which prevents GPS hardware use while keeping network location available. Make sure to confirm changes by reopening the app. For advanced control, connect via ADB and disable GPS providers directly. This is useful when UI toggles fail. Once you've applied changes, restart the device to ensure services restart without GPS access, and then verify the app no longer receives location. If GPS still appears active, inspect device admin apps, enabled system services, and any VPN or security apps that can override location settings. Disable or reconfigure them. One troubleshooting tip: rebooting in safe mode helps identify.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.